Planning a long drive or just gearing up for a ride? Worried about the dirt on your brakes causing friction and noise? Well, I've got something which might just be your perfect companion. Brake Parts Cleaner by one of America's leading vehicle care brand, Gunk, brought to you in India by Veedol. It's simply easy. Now let me show you how this keeps your brakes in top-notch condition. So here it is, the Brake Parts Cleaner. You can do it all on your own. Watch closely as I spray it on drum and disc brakes, lining material, brake pads, block pads, springs, cylinders, you name it. It removes brake fluid, dust buildup and oil from brake parts and CV joint assemblies in a breeze. See, it hardly takes 30 seconds in total. It's simple, doesn't require dismantling of your vehicle, and it's perfect for keeping your brakes in tip-top condition, especially during the monsoon season. Less friction means less noise, a must-have for all riders. Look at that, it's already dry. Isn't that great? Hands-free and mess-free solution. Saves time. Non-carcinogenic. Non-chlorinated. Recommended for two-wheelers and four-wheelers. So, no more relying on chlorinated products. Make the switch to Gunk Brake Parts Cleaner. It's simply easy.